contractually obligated to say that.
He's in the van.
In the van. Let's also get over Rachel Esposito. They drove the Grand Night 78. And let's of course get over to the Auras. We're going to close this out tonight. We're kind of doing a merch restock at the moment. But do get merch from Rachel and her crew. They drove again to be here. I think the Auras have merch from them, from Joshua. It goes a long way. So.
This song is called Jack Kerouac. And it's also on Spotify, yeah. Your car broke down somewhere south, so you know the place pretty well. There's nothing there but cotton fields and that old gas station smell. You're some kind